Hi, it's Lisa from Inspired to Thrive. It's been quite a while since I've done a live video, and I wanted to share a little info after doing a Twitter chat last week where people asked about how to update a blog post and have it go back on the front page with the current date. You have to schedule it, and I recommend doing the blog post maybe first in Word, and you have to update more than just the date, of course. You have to update the content, maybe add some new pictures, a video, so that it's really updated and the freshness will count on the search engines. So make sure you schedule. I like to schedule 10 minutes in advance once I do it in WordPress. If you go any longer than that, people may visit your site to look for the post and not be able to find it because it'll be unpublished. But I believe it's 10 minutes that you need to schedule for it to work, at least 10 minutes. So that's what I do. It works every time like a charm, and usually the traffic will increase in about a month after. You will notice a difference. So I'm here today on my walk, generating some more ideas after reading Heineken's Enchanted Marketing blog this morning about getting out in nature, one of my favorite places to walk up here. I hope this has helped. Have a great day.